You have to come back to us.
Nobel doesn't have a prize for mathematics.
There's no way we're getting through this without you.
I believe you. After everything we've been through, I believe you.
Head hangs slowly, child is slowly taken.
Does it hurt you as much as it hurts me?
They're all gonna die. Aren't they?
But you see, it's not me, it's not
Scott, you're my brother.
family. In your head, they are fighting with their
Some of us have to make mistakes. Some of us have to get our hands a little bloody sometimes. Some of us are human.
You're not my son.
He hasn't had a pulse in over 15 minutes. You can't bring someone back that's...
He's not somebody, he's my son. And he's an alpha, and he's too strong to die like this.
Think you can beat me in my game?
You better tell me! You better tell me! I didn't say it back.
You don't have to.
All I kept thinking was that I can't let her kill me. I can't let her kill Scott.
You don't even believe me, do you?